Hmm. Hmm. Is this good for fourth grade? How do my country's outcomes compare to other countries? Do we need to change what we're doing or keep going?
As an education expert, we are often faced with numbers that we need to make sense of. We may have data, but what does that data tell us about our education services? When it comes to reading and math data, are there tools that can help us answer some of the most pressing questions we have? Thanks to the work of educators and experts around the world, we now have a common set of global minimum standards in reading and math. The Global Proficiency Framework provides an evidence-based, globally agreed-upon reference point for minimum proficiency levels in reading and math for learners in grades 1 through 9. For example, by the end of grade 4, a child should be able to make simple inferences in a grade-level text by relating pieces of explicit and/or implicit information in the text, and count in whole numbers up to 10,000. Education authorities and practitioners can use the Global Proficiency Framework for many purposes: to design curricula, set parameters for classroom materials, and provide teacher training. To answer the question of how learning outcomes compare within and across countries, one approach that may be used is called policy linking. During a policy linking workshop, local educators and reading and math specialists sit together to perform 3 tasks. Examine how their assessment aligns with the GPF, match each item in their assessment to levels of the GPF, and set local benchmarks on the assessment to support global reporting. Used together, the GPF and policy linking allow you to compare learning outcomes within and across countries, aggregate learning outcomes to report on global indicators, and provide you with much needed information to strengthen your education system. This will prepare you to develop an educational strategy to strengthen all aspects of your education system. If you want to learn more about the GPF or how to conduct a policy linking workshop to begin to strengthen reading and math instruction in your country, please click below